Hi, good afternoon. Alright, let me put this something. I do my live now because my new dash my paint. I do my live now because because later pay music up in your house so I said you can't do my live anytime pay music up here. Can't get to talk, we can't now. Send up my dog.
Mama, come take some.
Macaroni and cheese and both spaghetti, yeah?
Can you take some?
Yeah. You know what to do, you say? So what you gonna do? What you gonna do first?
You
Pertaining
need
to
to
the
make the
project.
base.
Huh?
You need to make the base of the land. Like the
That's
flat
what I say.
surface.
Look on something. Go and carry the tablet. Come, go for the tablet.
So you need to make
Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining.
the flat surface of the land and then
Hi, Tara. How are you? Thank you so much for
you need
joining.
to make the flat surface of the land and then you're gonna shape something like a tall circle like a mountain. But it's a plateau so it's gonna have a flat surface on top.
Alright, I'm look on this. Type it in. Come. A year project. Y'all gonna start the project them now. Okay, y'all get big. Thank you. Sharing the pizza with you guys, yeah? Hi, silent watchers. How are you? Yeah. Hope your day going well, you know? The place quiet and now me can talk, you know? Hear music in the evening hours and thing, you know? So me have to just, although normally me used to do a midday live, but I realize say for 12 o'clock live, afternoon live, I normally come on like in the 1 o'clock hours. Thank you so much for joining. Hope all is well, guys. Hope all is well. So I start do my karaoke live at midnight from last night because yesterday evening when I went on 6 p.m. My co-host wasn't feeling well. That is one, and hopefully she get better soon.
So this is a plateau.
And then the noise in the background, yeah, the whole heap of
A
noise.
highland with a flat
Music
surface.
I play and something. So me end the live and then me just create a next thumbnail and something and go live in at the midnight. And it went well. I would say I had a good time singing those songs. I'm telling you, I'm loving the vibe. Yeah, I'm loving the vibe. How are you doing? Hope all is well on your side. How is your lunchtime? Andrew Love. Thank you so much for joining Jamaica music. Yeah, I'm telling you. How are you doing? Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Good. Thank you for joining. Tag. Are you monetized? Well, you see that monetize something then me don't like talk about it, you know, me I tell you the truth. Me don't like talk about the monetization side of things, but I would say yes. I would say yes, but I think that me don't really like talk about it. You kind of like shy away when you fit talk about them someday. For real, for real. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, so me just do a pop-up live still. Me not really tag anything for put up. So, probably later in the midnight or so when me go live, me tag something and put up. But we have like t-shirts and we have sticker, a whole lot of t-shirts I would say, you know. So if you want a nice t-shirt and thing with A&I logo on it and stuff like that, you can get it. Yeah. Tara said the reason I ask is because I need help. Oh, you need help, Tara? There is nothing wrong with a person asking for help, darling. You know, anything I can help you with, I will surely do. Once I know, you know. And the reason why I say, sometimes you not really, you know, sometimes you like to keep things on a would I say a low down level, because you know how the internet operate at times when it comes on to like, if per se, you know, certain things, it come like say you want to say but you just don't want to say, you just prefer to keep things private in a way sometimes. Because you know some persons, I would say sometimes, if per se, sometimes when people know the full 100, they kind of shy away, like they don't really want maybe support you anymore and all these things. So yeah, sometimes you want to keep things on a level, as what may I say, because things can get, I would say, tedious at times. Yeah. Oh, that are the landscape I do know? Okay.
That needs to be green.
Oh, just take time and spread it all over, you know. So you, what you can do pertaining to what you want help with, you can just my number is also there in the description section on the channel. My number is also there. But otherwise from that, you can just, me no know, if you want to get the number, and then you text me and tell me what issues you're having, and then I will tell you what to do. Tara. Yep. Okay, so sometime when time you ever hear them say, you know, want to talk too loud, or, you know, normally we Jamaicans say we not like load up things, yeah. We not like load up things. That's how we are. We not like load up things. We don't want jinx nothing and all them something there. Everything in that one we love. Yeah. So the reason why, you know, my community and everybody else from other community, you know, me thank everybody for the support. But sometimes you want to share things and you don't know. It's like you want to share things, but if a person may ask you, you might say yes. And then again, you do a little video stating that you are, but it's like you kind of don't want to say it out too loud. Yeah, that sort of vibe. And you know, sometimes you'd post this and post that. Some of the time, you know, post everything because you don't know who is watching. That is the main thing. You don't know who is watching. Because sometimes we have people out there we don't like it. Yeah. Sometimes you have people out there who don't like you. So certain things you have to keep on a low down. Yeah, you know? Yeah. So that's what I'm really trying to say. Yeah. So Tara, if per se it happens for you, you know what to post and what not to post. You understand? Because then again, your community will still know that you are, and people will come and visit your channel will still know that you are, because eventually they will see you putting up stuff that is only when you get monetized you can put up those, you know. So they will get an idea, say, well then yes, you know. But if you know what I mean, you have to just cut and go through. Yeah, cut and go through. So you can text me and let me know. Text me and let me know, Tara. Yeah. So that me can tell you. And thank you guys for joining my live. One love from A and I, enough respect. I appreciate you all. And my friend that is here that says good. Oh, we love the pizza. Good slice. Good slice. I tell you, so that slice then alright, you know. And more than one slice that.
Delectable.
Yeah, you have like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Yeah. Yeah. There I go and see me, you know, I trust God and live and trust God and hope for the best, and you know, hope that God will help all of us to reach our goal, you know, where we want to be on here, on YouTube, in life. So may I pray for everybody so that everybody will be successful and everybody will come out victorious with their channel, getting monetized and doing great things to come. Yeah. You know, you can't want it for you alone, you have to want it for everybody else as well. Yeah. Yes, my girl. But I bounce the water and make it show, you know. Diamela, I am here. I go cook some food, you know. My phone, I feel like it's going to start overeat. Yeah. I not lie, I love my supporters, them, and I know say them love me. Yeah? I love them, the silent watchers, and all the other persons who normally join. And even my content creators, you know, my content creator, brothers and sisters from another mother. One love from A&I. Enough respect. Yeah. They are gone, you know. They are gone. So right about now, I'm going to cook some food. I'm going to cook some food now. Today I had some curry chicken. Curry chicken and a little bit of white rice. I have this yam. And I have, you call this again? Chocho. Chocho. Who knows Chocho? Who knows Chocho? You guys know these things? Chocho. This nice with what you call it? It nice with chicken, it nice with chicken back, it nice with what you call it, salt mackerel. This nice with salt mackerel. When I see the old time people them do, them boil it in the pot with the yam and dumpling and them something there. And then and the salt mackerel. And then them take it out, then pick up the salt mackerel, then take out the chocho and them dice it up. Then put them seasoning, them scallion, them onion and them something the sweet pepper if you have sweet pepper. And then make it fry up in the oil. And then you see this now where them dice up the chocho, them throw the chocho in the pot. The chocho in the pot and the salt mackerel. Man, that bad you go up. Then put black pepper in it. And me I tell you, and if you have hot pepper, hey! You see when time you start get down in that when you eat it with the yam and the banana and the dumpling and especially the soft yam and the yellow yam. Oh my God! That is so nice. Yeah? Noise. Man, good day. How are you doing? How are you doing? You in the pipe? Now look up for my glasses. Because I can't really see there's something without the glasses. Going for the glasses. How is your lunch break? How is your lunch break? Hope lunchtime is going great. Today now for dinner, I don't get any lunch, you know, but I'll cook some dinner. Guys, me still have the buy me a coffee as well, so you guys can, in the buy me a coffee you have membership, you have, whether coffee or pizza or burger, yeah, that sort of thing. Hi, how are you? No code. Aki and saltfish, my favorite. That's my favorite as well. Oh my God. I love the Aki and saltfish. Good afternoon. I ate noodles for lunch. LOL. Oh, at least you ate good noodles. Me there, me not eat nothing a little while. Me just get some Pepsi a while ago. Because the thing is I went to Old Harbour just now and come back, you know. I go to Old Harbour because project has started now and my daughter supposed to carry on project by Monday. So I don't get the something to she start the project. Yeah, I'm telling you. Them something that we had talk about nice. The noodles nowadays, how me eat the noodles? Me kind of put like pepper in the noodles nowadays. Ramen and them something there. I'm going to read the message. I'm going to read the chat. My daughter macaroni and cheese are drying out. The mac is drying out. I need to put the Lasco in there. Guys, she can't drink cow's milk, so me have to use the Lasco food drink in it. She's lactose intolerant. Yeah. So I put a little Lasco food drink in there. You know, if you have dairy product, it sets off her, act up her allergies. So it act up her allergies. She loves drinking the dairy something like, but she's not supposed to have it. Oh, the Q&A is here as well. The mac and cheese. I mean, I like when I do mac and cheese and the cheese something. The cheese something I clam up like, you know, the powdery cheese something. I clam up on the macaroni. I think that you have to constantly stir, but it's still not going to come out, you know. Or the type of cheese. So this is for their lunch. Just two of them. The son and the daughter. I think today is my granddaughter's birthday as well too. Yup. So happy birthday to my little grandbaby. Yeah. Yes, so let me read the chat now. Let me read what you guys are saying. Yeah. So, hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. How is your day? The Q&A is a favorite donut. Favorite donut flavor. Oh, I would say I love the one with the red thing in the middle, the red jello something. Is that cherry or strawberry? Well, I don't. Yeah. So good day. How are you? Hi. How are you doing, guys? Chocolate. Oh, that's my thing as well. So no code say I live in North Carolina. Oh, it's hard to get Caribbean. Okay. Both parents are Jamaican. Oh, that's nice. My mom still live in Florida. I miss the food and culture. Wow. You miss the food and culture? Yeah, man, Jamaica, nice for real. Anywhere, no, well, they try to like bring the Jamaican food there, and they try to like have some places that, you know, they say, oh, you go over there, say you get Jamaican food, or you go there, say you get patty, or you go there, say you get KFC. Hey, but it still can't beat the real thing. right? It still can't be the real thing. So guess what now? As a person come to Jamaica, right, the first thing that's on their mind is to go to KFC. Or if you go buy 2 tasty patty. I tell you. Or if you go visit them. Me say, sometimes when they come in, they're anxious to till hear them. Oh my, they're excited. Boy, you know, me have to go visit a virgin right there, son. Lord, me have to go there, son. Me have to go, yeah, and I just so. They want to go all over the place because what? Them happy say they reach home and they want to go visit. You know, people they not seen in a while. Yeah. And places, don't River Fall, all about. They want to go to Devon House. They want to go all over the place. But me not wrong them because, you know, once you come and you have the money, you can go places where you want to go, places that you haven't seen in a while. Yeah. So no code say you can hello. Yeah. For real, for real. Yeah. So that is how it is. That is how it is. But you know, a lot of persons when they go overseas, you know, them some people cry because they were like free to move about anywhere they want to go in a way, yeah. Them can go. I'm gonna cook some food right about now. Long time I not eat some curry chicken. So I want curry chicken today with dumpling. And I have one little piece of yam. And I have chocho. So I'm gonna put the chocho in the pot with the chicken. That's how I'm gonna cook it. I have some carrot as well. I use the Irish yesterday. So I don't have no Irish, but I go just deal with my thing, turn me on and make fashion. You know what I mean? Turn me on and make fashion. Yeah, we Jamaicans love to do that. Turn me on and make fashion. Oh. Alright, so thank you so much for joining my live, yeah? Hope all is well. And I hope you guys had lunch. Yay. Cheese what? Cheese what? Oh, so you need to study as well. Okay. Are you guys gonna get tests after the break? You're gonna get tests. Yeah. So how is North Carolina? Is it cold there or is it sunny? Do you guys have snow there? If you're still here. Silent watchers, how are you doing? Hope all is well. Sorry, may I scrape out the pot. May I put my son on in and plate, you know? So that is it. Hi, how are you doing? Is that Glenn? how are you? How are you doing, my brother? How are you doing? Hope all is well. God has been good to us, you know. We're here today, Thursday. Glenn say, I am doing very good. God is good all the time, you know. God is good all the time, my brother. Hmm? Yeah. He has special needs. Normally persons who have special needs, them stay on because maybe they are not able to work and all them something there, so they make them stay on it. The special persons. Oh my God. So how is your Thursday? Then say, but you make me. Hey, you make me hungry with that pizza. Oh my God. Ah boy. I make you hungry with that pizza. Oh gosh. I'm telling you. Oh gosh. For real, I understand. I understand, cause me now like it tastes good enough. It tastes really good. It tastes good, man. The pizza there from the other day when I did my son's birthday, you know. And me just take the picture of it and just put it on something. So when me go live sometime you want a green screen to put up. So me just put it up and use it. Thank you so much, dear. So me put this in a bit here. So look. I want macaroni and cheese in there. Never cook. Yeah, man. So me season up the meat. Season up the meat and then afterwards now. Yeah, man, me there. Happy to see you guys. Last night I did my karaoke live. But when me do it late. I do it late in the night. Like 12 o'clock hours. Yeah. Sometimes music still a play, you know. Them time there, you know, but you know, but I wonder say, I say to myself, say, you know, say, maybe that's the entertainment I will have to do in the late night when I do go live. Yeah. So I'm thinking about doing that whenever I go live in the midnight, you know? Yeah. Do that as a vibe, you know? In the midnight whenever I go live. So that's what I'm gonna do. In the midnight. And normally when you're doing the songs, you know, you guys can also send your friend requests as well. And if you want to join me on the live, you can also say so that, you know, whenever I do go live, I can just leave the box open, yeah, so that you can join when you come on. set it as go live together, you know, so anyone who wants to join can come on and come up beside me. But that one would be in the late night. In the late night. So welcome to my pop-up live, guys. This is a pop-up live because normally, you know, my live is from 12 to 12 and 6 to 6. Right? So this morning was so cold. I didn't do any live this morning because I was up late last night. I was up late last night doing the 12 o'clock live. So this morning I skipped this morning and things. So I say, okay, let me come on and do the after 1 or 1 o'clock. Yeah, but you know it's not a scheduled live. But once I go live, persons will see that I am on the live. And you know, if they want to join, they will also join. Yep. So you know, then you're going to do some stuff in the meantime. In between time. I'm going to try to prepare dinner and tea. The week done fast, man. Quick time the week finish. Yeah. So I'm just gonna set the karaoke live thing for like in the midnight whenever I go live. I'm just gonna do it like that. Just gonna do the midnight live as a karaoke live. So that's what I'm gonna do. Because I realize when at the 6 p.m. appear nice. Yeah, music I play until. And then last night when I was there trying to do the 12 midnight live, there was also music playing, but it wasn't so bad like before in the early part of the evening. It wasn't so bad. So I just go on and do my thing and that is it. Yeah. So guys, you can check out how I did on the karaoke live and tell me. Just comment and say A and I. Yeah, just say what you think. Because remember now, you see the songs that I'm singing, I cannot sing them out word for word, right? So you have to just, you know how to sing them while singing them. You know why, right? So you can't sing them out straight. Me have to just hum some part of it and sing some part and hum some part. What them say the chorus and them something there. At times you might hum some part of the song. Yeah. You can't sing out all of it. Yeah, sing out all right, my love. Yep. You know, like some songs they do, you know, I tell you. Me not like them do some great songs, yeah? Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining. Doxton CM says hi. If I'm pronouncing the name right. 7 likes. Thank you so much for liking, guys. Guys, my goal is still 4,000 subscribers. So, silent watchers, new persons, welcome to my channel, A and I Island Adventure Jamaica. Yes. So over here we talk about things that are happening in Jamaica or otherwise. We talk about the culture, the food, the vibe of the people, places to go, and all of the above. Yeah? So, you can come over and chill out whenever you feel like it. Just chop on down. Whether one midnight live, one afternoon live if you're not busy, one early morning live 6 a.m. Once I am here, I will do a 6 a.m. live schedule, a 6 a.m. live and do it, yeah? But in the morning, sometimes it's a school morning. School is out for now until next week. So in the morning, I will schedule a live tomorrow morning, yeah, 6 a.m. My live will be scheduled, and persons will be notified once you hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified whether when I post a video or we go live. Yeah. Yep. So yep. So thank you guys so much for always supporting A and I. Yeah, enough respect, and thanks to all the persons who have been watching the shorts and watching the videos and watching the live streams as well. Guys, continue to watch, continue to support, enough love from A and I, enough respect. I appreciate you all for doing what you're doing for us, yeah? And there are greater things to come. There will become a time when we'll be going on the road, go on a trip somewhere and things like that. Don't want to jinx it, so I don't want to say much about it until when you guys see us going on the road, or you get the video to watch. Yeah. So Glenn, I'm happy you're doing well. You know, hard to come off. It's right off for the cartridge. Yeah. I enjoyed the vibe last night. Yeah. The vibe was nice. The vibe was nice. Yeah, because at your bedtime, them time there, you're supposed to be in your bed. You're supposed to be at your bed them time there. Late hours and like that. So guys, you can also send your song requests in the chat as well. When I'm doing the karaoke live, you can tell me a song choice and I will sing the song. Or if you want to come up in the box, if you want to come up beside me on the live, you can tell me. If you love to sing and you want to sing your favorite song and thing, you can let me know and I will arrange for you to come up, cause the karaoke live thing, once I do a midnight live, that's what I'll be doing on my midnight live. The karaoke thing. The karaoke. So whenever I go live in the midnight, that's what I'll be doing. Because apart, my thing is entertainment, right? My thing is entertainment. So yeah, supposed to be entertaining you guys. Yeah. So guys, if you like the granny skit, let me know. Let me know. And of course the second part of the granny skit tomorrow as well. Tomorrow. And of course the second episode of the granny skit tomorrow. One person said, Granny, you're supposed to enjoy foreign. Why you are complaining? They are complaining and say the nurse and the doctor, you know, have no pressure, but them a rise up your pressure. Ah boy, you know. Thank you so much for watching. And that is true. But you know, Granny, Grandma, most grandma, they normally, I would say, they're normally like that. So if you really look and see, you know, sometimes our grandma, they are like, sometimes they can be hard to please. Yeah. So that's how they are at times. Yes. So just having a little hard time with adapting to certain situations, and you know, missing Jamaica, want to go home and thing. When she there home, when she there home, you know, she could have go places by herself. Now she have to sit down and wait till somebody come and like carry her out. Hmm? All them something there. I have to sit down and wait till the kids are free to take her out to places. Because remember now, at the first she go there, so maybe that's why she's so miserable. But she said the place nice, yeah? She said the place nice. But as I said, ackee and saltfish, oh my God. The real thing, yeah? You see the ackee on the tree, right? Then we are going for ackee on the tree, watch it. Holy for ackee on the tree. Holy for ackee on the tree, my love. So, once a day at Jamaica, sometimes you don't have no ackee tree, no, but your neighbor have ackee tree. And you can get the ackee and market. But you know, most people out here, they don't really like buy ackee and market. They normally get ackee from them neighbor, or maybe them have ackee tree at home and things, so them can cook up them ackee and saltfish, or ackee and pork. You know the pork skin with the little beef part in it. Season it up nice and fry it up nice, and look about the ackee and put it with it. Really nice. Really nice. So Granny is missing a whole lot of things. Jamaican. Missing a whole lot of things Jamaican. But she said foreign nice. It is nice, but cold. Yeah. Very cold over there. Very, very cold. I have some videos as well on my post with, you know, the snow, driving on the road. A whole lot of snow and things. Whole heap of snow there so on the road. Alright, so I'm putting the flour in the pot already. Putting the flour in the pot. I'm going to peel the yam. Put in the pot. Silent watchers, thank you for sticking and staying as well. Tara gone, or Tara is still here. Hopefully she will send me the message so that we can know what's up. I want to look up this I don't know about if you'll do. I say, I don't know, but you see when you live in like the town area and so. If you want to cook this yam, you have to buy it. Yeah? But when you're in a country, boy, you don't have to buy yam and them something there, you get it free. Or maybe where you live, they plant yam and then something there where you live. So you don't have to buy it. You just get it for free. But here, sir, if you're going to eat this yam, you have to buy it. Or maybe somebody might go country and come back up and carry a piece of yam, come give you. You know? Them sort of thing here. Them right there. Alright, so I'm going to steam some rice as well. I'm going to steam some rice too. So guys, big up yourself, yeah? So if you're gonna go live, guys, let me know who is gonna go live. Just type in the comment section so that when I come after live, tell me what time you're gonna go live so that we can come over and support you. So I can come over and show my support. If you even watch one video and you want to type and say, hey and I'm going live X time, you know, so me can come over and support you. Hey and I'm gonna go live such and such time. Guys, you know, thank you so much for supporting our channel. Thank you a lot. Thank you so much. And I'm seeing that you guys love the road videos that I post. the road video, yeah, like the community video that I post. You guys love that one. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. There will be more to come, my friend. There will be more to come. More good things to come. There will be more good things to come. More good things to come. You know, sometimes the long time song them, you know, the first day, sometimes younger folks don't know the long time song them. So, you know, the nowadays song them know them. So, different genre of songs, you know, we choose from like the older songs, they're not so old and thing. But the first day you touch like the older songs because those are most likely the safer ones. Those are like the safer ones to use. The safer ones to use. We all have vibe last night, man. It was good. And thanks to all the persons who came to support. Hey, yay. Thank you guys so much. One love. One love. Alright. So, the rice are going to cook. The dumpling and the yam are going to cook. And now I'm going to store my dumpling in the pot. And the yam. The dumpling are going to keep up for each other. Here and now. You say, what about Aki the furniture?
Yeah, no, the mark me for me. And then we know.
I'm going to pick them tomorrow. What if I reach out to pick them?
Now we and then we
The boat have a run come to eat them.
and now we have me and you know, if you cut the mark, you have to want
The pizza, they're nice one, for real, for real. I like the pizza, like Carly say, when it just do and it's still warm. Yeah, that's how I like it. When it just do and it's still warm.
Yeah, I know.
You can have this
On
what?
on
I like the one where it have like different sides. You can get pork and so on.
no, me need a nine. They want it no. You might one.
But I love to try the ackee pizza.
Oh, that one night
Ackee pizza. Ackee pizza. So in the late night when I go live, I go try and see if I can pin. You know, sometimes I go live, I remember if I pin it, you know, so they buy me a coffee or I do have a PayPal as well, but I remember if I pinned it to buy me a coffee. Da, 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 da. Friday almost here already. Wow. Tomorrow again, I'm gonna buy one pizza. Yeah. One pizza. Yep. A pizza they're like $1,800 fee. $1,800. $1,800. Jamaican dollars. They have one bigger one than that for like $2,400. That's a big one, a big pizza. Bigger than this one. I think this I don't know if a 12 slices. I think a 12 slices that one. So I don't know how much the other one have. Never buy the one for $2,400 yet. I'm gonna sing for you guys in the night time. Sing for you guys in the night time. So I almost finished the night already. You know. We have the rice I cook, the dumpling and so. I help the daughter with our project. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. How are you doing? How is your afternoon? When I finish with this, I will come and help you cut the cartridge paper
One
so you
minute.
can start organizing something. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll come and come help you cut the cartridge paper. You see it's not the meat and start look about it. Mm-hmm. How are you doing? Hope all is well. And thank you guys for answering the Q&A as well. Thank you so much for answering the Q&A. I also love chocolate as well. Chocolate. One of my favorites. Yeah. Noodles as well. One of my favorites. Ackee and saltfish. The national dish. My favorite. My favorite, oh, my favorite. Mm-hmm. Come there, cook some food, you know. Gotta eat, right? Gotta eat. Gotta eat. Alright. Thank you for staying, yeah? Thank you so much. You container?
Yeah.
Come on, go to the Ackee. You can buy saltfish. Mm-hmm. A new pack curry, yeah? New pack curry. New pack. How are you doing, guys? Some day I see something chicken I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook some curry chicken. Curry chicken and white rice. And 2 dumpling. Dumpling. Long time I eat some curry chicken. Curry chicken. One. Put on the steamer. The new pack curry are one of the best curry ever. Yeah.
How much?
I want it for Aki and I get time for them. Come in.
Man, one no me mo.
And don't make it what them eat the Aki. So guys, I'm showing you the Aki when we finish. I'm going to show you the Akis when I'm done. Start cutting Amara. Start cutting it. Alright. Now come there. The oil are hot now, so okay, I'll come back on the other side there. So Aki a big one tree. Let's see if we can see what's going on. Aki a big. My big Aki. Oh, let me show you that. Wait, leave my foot. The dog. I lick off my foot. Alright, let me show you the Let me show you guys in the Aki tree. And I actually have only for Aki right now. Sun is out and everything, so the Aki them are open up on the tree, you know. If the rain fall, them spoil. And so when the rain fall and wet the Aki them easy to spoil already. See, whole heap of Aki up on the tree. Whole heap. See that? Pure Aki. So I'm going to try to pick them off, you know, and thing. As if you don't pick them off, them are go, like if the rain fall upon them spoil. And then so I try to pick them. I try to pick it Aki them. If you stand up on it, it's something to pick them because you don't want to go up in a tree. Yeah, probably about a dozen in a bag already. Only if I open one day in a tree. Only if I open one in a tree. In the tree. The pity nickel them a drop on you. That's why I don't want to climb the tree. Afraid the pity nickel them take him over. I don't want to climb. My hurt yourself, you catch them from the goat, you know. It's a little brown goat named Rudolph. Lord. A little brown goat named Rudolph. Yes. It's a goat named Rudolph. Red-nosed reindeer. Okay. Oh, I'm coming, baby girl. I am coming. Alright, put them up there, so yeah. I'm gonna look on them. So we Jamaicans, we normally burn the curry in the pot. We season it up, with for the meat, but season up the meat with it, but still, we normally burn the curry in the pot same way. And then we drop them drop the meat them in the pot afterwards. I know some love cooking at the back pot, my favorite pot. Some people when they cook the chicken and cut it up fine, but I don't really like when they cut it fine. Some pieces smaller than some. And I'm going to put more than that in there. Right? And then now I put my dumpling and thing. Cooking my dumpling. Dumpling and yellow yam. Huh? Them say when the dumpling are float like that, they cook.
And hot no.
Yeah. I'm going to steam some white rice as well. Yep. So now, my daughter want to help her with the cutting of the partridge paper. So now that I come put in that in the pot. So let me show you guys the ackee for them get what they get off the tree already. Pretty nickel ants in the tree, you know them little red ants, something them I don't know if I bite them bite or what, but they make your skin feel a way when them go up on your skin. No stop if I burn it I burn you or what. Yeah, them release something on your skin. You there? Pure ackee in the bag. Ackee. Yeah, so we have ackee. We not have to buy ackee. Alright, me just say, they are foreign, you have to buy them something. You get them in a tin of foreign. Or if somebody a come up, them normally scald the ackee and freeze it. Put a little bit of salt in the water when them a scald it. And freeze it in the freezer until when them ready to go away. Them ackee here. Some ackee them have like I'll say 4 or some of them end up with all 8 seeds something in there, Some of them big. But them one here are mostly 3. When this thing open it look really nice. The ackee. Yeah. When it open it looks really, really nice. I'm telling you. Yeah, it looks really nice. God is so good. He provide everything on this earth for us. See the chocha here now? Hey! That chocha here? Yeah. This is the chocho. I don't remember the next name for it. This is down here, so when it start grow, I down here so it grow from. And something grow to the part here. So I go use it like when I cook down the chicken with some carrot, cause you eat the macaroni and cheese already? Yeah. So that part is where?
Or the pond.
Yeah, the pan, yeah. Yes, guys. No, that will taste nice, yes. Curry aki.
I don't eat ice cream.
Yeah, you don't eat aki. I know say you don't eat aki.
Why don't you tell me?
Aki tastes nice though, you know?
It
They have
is.
aki patty.
I know.
Yeah, and that's supposed to taste really nice.
And they have bacon patty.
Right. I've never tried that one before.
I've had
I never tried the aki patty and I never tried the bacon patty. Never tried the pork patty. I tried the...
Have you tried the chicken?
Yeah, chicken nice. Curry chicken you get in there.
I love it.
Tastes good.
I love it because sometimes it just comes.
But choose, the only thing is when you get the chicken patty, you know, it's hot, you know, well hot. That one there, it burn up your mouth. Just like the beef one.
When my school has that, they're really warming up to make it hot.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so I'll be sitting down and watch you this time doing the project because you look like you know what you're doing. Yeah.
I don't have an IQ, but I do.
Let me tell you already if you look it up. So the pond is gonna be where? In the middle?
Mm.
In the
Yes,
middle?
but can that make trees?
Yeah. The trees are not hard to make.
I mean, that you used to make those kind of things. Because you used to do for the heights.
The trees are not hard. You cut them out with the scissors. You draw them first and then you cut them out with the scissors.
Gonna make it realistic.
Huh?
Are we gonna take them? Are we gonna do them?
What?
Are we gonna do the trees to make them more realistic?
Yeah. Go glue them standing up. You're not gonna do no whole heap of trees. I will do probably coconut tree,
Palm tree.
palm tree.
The coconut trees are palm trees. But with coconuts on it.
So you draw the coconut thing them and you draw the leaves and then you shape it out. And you fold the bottom, kind of bend the bottom like this. And you have to use like maybe a thick like the pizza box. Something where when you put it there it will stand up firm. You're working now. Watch your work this time around. Yeah. When you go to high school now, you have to do your project yourself. So learn from now. Do your thing.
I think I popped the vein.
No, nobody pop no vein right now. You're doing your work. All along, I may do majority your time now. It dry already?
Yeah. It dries fast.
I glue that in your bag. The top part I go and pour.
Yeah, we can go.
Look, Lenny, the top part can open, you know, the orange
I
part.
know it open.
It open. Other part there may talk here, so when it goes so, see if it come out now. Because you hardly use it, so you're not supposed to stop up. Take time, man. Take time, man. Yeah. So you're going to use something and plaster it on it now. Silent watchers, how are you? Just use something and kind of rub it over it so that it spread and then you can paste it on it. Take that. When you use the glue, you don't use too much.
Mom, like, you
Remember
guys,
a cartridge paper.
you guys always say a dot is a lot, and
So
then
when it wet, it will will tear once it wet.
you guys always
Too
say
much.
that a dot is a lot. That is not a lot.
So let me see where you're going to place it now.
Can you tell me? And then I can make a stream tomato.
So the stream follow the pan, flow off in the pan.
Ooh,
Yeah.
good idea.
Alright, I can top rub it now. Paste it now.
I'm gonna do. I love it. It's not my problem.
You don't want no more glue. You're gonna turn it over, you're gonna paste it and it's gonna dry, it's gonna be okay. Don't need any more glue.
That was not a lot of it. Some of it's too much of it.
Just paste it. Where paste it?
Maybe.
Alright. Alright. Good job. Continue, madam. Continue. Good job.
So it's gonna be a river. It's gonna do that. I don't think it's gonna pass it.
Silent watchers, how are you? So yeah, you're a cook and then I can't make it stream so straight. Alright, I'll show you.
Mommy, I don't know how to go with these zigzags. But it's a stream, so it's straight like a river. Like it kind of comes from a river.
What river is straight?
It's a straight like a river.
No, a river isn't straight.
But sometimes it comes from a lake.
A river isn't straight, my dear. It's not straight.
I've seen straight rivers before.
Hmm?
I've seen straight rivers before.
Well, it looks straight from one end that you're looking, but when you go, if you follow the river,
Zigzag.
right, exactly.
But it can't
Take
take us
out the
long.
pencil in me. Take out the pencil in me now. What are the black? So the river course, I would say the river course is something like this. It goes like this. Curve here.
Do I have to make it vertical?
Hmm?
Perpendicular.
Hmm?
Perpendicular.
So when you do it like that now, you just kind of shape it.
I know what to do, but make this too easy.
Guys, how are you? How was your lunch break? Oh, my phone won't charge.
Joe.
I'm okay back a country again because you river look.
I don't want to go back
Why?
because I don't like climbing hills.
Why? See it there? This look more like a river. So you put the blue. A blue you put?
Blue.
Alright. So you have to put some of the glue on that
The
one.
only reason why I don't want to go back to
Oh, you
country.
paint it first.
The only reason why I don't want to go back to country is because I don't like climbing the hills.
I know. It's good exercise.
Exercise.
Yeah, it's good
Did you say it
exercise.
has?
It
It
helps to build
pegs.
your muscles.
Did you say it has spikes?
It has what?
Pegs? Like
Pegs.
spikes?
Spikes.
Yes.
Hmm. What kind of spikes?
Like something that you can trip on or it can
Like the hillside over the body time?
Yes.
Oh my, they're so steep. But it is good sometime when you climb the hill because it's a kind of exercise that you don't normally do when you're on a flat surface, right? So here, so where they all the time, it is flat.
I like feeling.
So when you go somewhere and you have to climb a little hill, it helps with the muscle legs, the leg muscle. That's a back way a while ago. The leg muscle, it helps the leg muscle. Yeah.
It's called if you're talking about the thigh muscle, that's called the grand muscle.
The grind muscle.
Yes or no, right?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm telling you. Today is a good day. Yes, my silent watcher, thank you so much for sticking and staying. You know, hopefully Miss Tara send me the message. Hopefully. If her say she can watch one video if she want and she can watch one video and just say what and you know sometimes persons not like have so you can just watch one little video and leave a message if you want to and
Wow, this paint dries fast.
I will send you a message back
Mom, look how
if
fast
you
it's
can
painting.
work that way. Take time and look what you're doing and just take time, go over it. You want it to look like a river.
But when you dip it in the water and put it in, then it's gonna look like sky blue.
At least teacher can see say how you do this one. Rain a go fall.
You're jinxing it.
You only have the project by yourself. That is good. That is what getting big is about. Being responsible.
Mommy.
Right? Yeah. Being responsible.
You have to paint all of it.
Well, on the side, you can make the side steep. On the side part, you can, you have the river barbecue. So you can make it look like a little dirt. The on the side here, so. So you have to get the little front part, you have to touch up with the other part.
Okay, I have an idea.
And then the side part is gonna be like off to the side.
I'm gonna mix colors.
You know that rivers have sides, right?
Yeah.
Rivers have bouncing sides. Rivers have bouncing sides. So Tara, if you're still here, remember to let me know what
So I'm gonna do
you
color
wanted
mixing.
to know.
I'm gonna do color mixing.
You're gonna do what?
Color mixing to make brown.
Oh, what color make brown?
Yellow, white, and a little bit.
Try it out something first, you know. Try it out for something first. The two color where you say make brown. A three color or two color? You say yellow, white, and
Red.
oh.
Oh, this tries fast.
Eh?
This tries fast.
Yes, a shadow project. She's doing her project, and I'm here cooking dinner.
It's fun.
Yeah, it is fun. That's why I must do it. It is fun.
I said typical.
Yeah, so that's the paint. Yeah. So you know, we don't have any brown paint, so she
It's
have to
forming. Look, it's forming.
try turn the
It's kind of forming.
it's forming.
Yes, and see the little brown color.
I choose it there.
I'm smart.
You never know, say you're smart.
No.
Here, yeah. OMG. Well, now you know.
Brown.
What I want you to make the brown?
Red, yellow, and white.
Oh. Okay. Is that a real artist or is just somebody
YouTuber.
freestyling?
It's a YouTube if you silent.
Okay. The time of project time, the dining table full of paper and cartridge paper and them something there. Alright, the brown is coming to come.
That's another brown.
Maybe you need to try one next color. Try one of the dark color and see what happens.
Last time I tried green and red.
Maybe should I try black?
Black doesn't work, it's looking to make gray.
Alright, do it, let me see.
Ooh. Brown.
Try it out.
It's brown. So green and red bread.
Green and red. Brown.
Yeah, I need a darker brown for the left.
Okay. So what are we making here? Let's explain to our viewers what we are making.
So I'm making a project of the landforms, hills, plateaus, mountains, and valleys. And if you don't know, a plateau is a hill that's like a mountain that goes up, but it has a flat surface.
Okay. Good. Now I shut my phone. I have to realize my elbow down on the screen.
So now I know that the green and red work better for brown.
I look for my meat, but I want it burns up, my love. Because of that, I have to eat for dinner later. I want it to burn up. Yes, guys. Yeah, nice ear. I'm gonna, you know. Level. Yeah. So my name make the brush catch the other part where you try to. It's really brown for you, you know. It's really brown for you.
Britannia. Take off the green screen.
I take off the green screen. Alright, see it there now? See? That brown.
I'm smart.
Yeah.
Hey.
See, I never know say you're smart. She just go like she don't know. Yeah, see there?
We never know.
Brown. So what I want to use to get the brown now?
Green and red.
Green and red. Wow. Okay, so that's the pond and thing.
This is the pond and this is the stream over.
Mm-hmm. You have to hold it with one hand and take time draw the bush.
Eee, that looks like real brown.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, for real, for real.
But I can make it like a lighter brown with red, green, and white.
Mm-hmm. From long time she loved the painting, you know. She loved paint from like basic school. She has been painting.
But the prints that I had before dried up.
Mm-hmm. You know you can buy the big buckle of paint thing them and put in at the empties. Mm-hmm. Could I do it that way there? Yeah. Thank you guys so much for joining.
Dark brown.
Dark brown. That's awesome. Amazing. Take your time, paint there something as well.
That can be like dirt.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true. Can be like dirt.
You think we can wear darker brown?
Mm-hmm. Silent watchers, big up yourself. Thank you for sticking and staying. One love from A and I.
Look at that pretty brown.
Look at that brown. It's so amazing, right? It's awesome. You're doing great, yeah? You are doing great.
I know how to mix colors.
I know you do.
And I think red.
Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining.
I think red, yellow, and a little bit of white make fun.
The phone screen did dark a while ago. Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining my live. Yeah, so it's project day today. We're doing project. Honey. Hello, host and chat. Oh, that's your favorite honey dip. Thank you so much for joining the garden. Thank you so much. How are you? The garden whose channel? Let me go and look at my chicken. So she's doing her project, guys. It's project time. Yeah. So she's making a landscape. Yeah. Thank you for the light, garden. I'm gonna look for my meat. I don't want it to burn up. Oh. Not at all. Not at all. And my phone battery is saying it's dying. Phone
Finally,
battery
this
is
day died.
saying it's dying. You know, see, that's how me say, you know, me always say the thing wrong first, then me go back. Sometimes me even hear myself say it, you know, and then me realize, then me correct myself. Yeah, that's how me stay. That's my thing. I will say it wrong and then it sound funny, and then me go back and say it the way I was supposed to. Thank you so much, Garden Food Channel. Hope all is well on your side. Thank you so much for joining as well. Thank you so much for joining. My phone battery come like it's dying. I forget myself a next gadget to do my live. Well, I go done it no overeat and wait name this time around. What I got done. Make sure you don't throw away the water on the table, okay? Make sure you don't throw it away, my dear. Yes, I shall do our project, my love. Normally them other time she help, but you know she get big now, so you know normally when them a get big, them normally do them project. If per se they need help, then they'll ask to help you for help, right? So she'll learn these things that she's supposed to do in our project and stuff like that, preparing our work for teacher. So my phone won't charge, so can I leave it for charge right here. So guys, I kind of leave the phone for charge in the meantime. I'm gonna come back and come check up on you guys as well. But then I leave the phone for charge. come on video and see how they create the Thank you guys so much for joining my live, yeah. So my day here still a cook, but my phone want charge, so I just have it here so I charge in the meantime. But it's overheating as well. Get the body fit, you know, because as we get older, you know, in your knees start your problem, your waistline, these things, your shoulders, and sometimes even your ankle as well. Yeah, so guys, I'll catch you later on. Yeah, because the phone are overheat. Thank you so much for joining. One love. Tara, if you're still here, yeah, let me know if you still want me to show you what you wanted to know. So later on, guys, thank you for tuning in. Have a great rest of